Hey guys, Mark with Axiom Armor. I'm here to show you the 2.0 machine and its ability to print a customized backskin for your customer. So let's say that your customer has a phone that they want to put a picture of whoever on it. So you're going to go ahead and choose whichever type of phone they have. So in this case, it is the 12 Pro Max. And then you're going to choose this right here. It says back film. And then choose whatever cut they want. If they want something to cover their camera lenses, you can choose that or whatever. But for this purpose, we'll just choose this cut here and then customize back skin at the bottom. You're going to notice it's going to download the cut file. It's important because you want to make sure that the photo is lined up to where nothing gets cut off around the edges or anything. And then this little upload photo button right here. Then you're going to grab the customer's phone, or they can do it themselves. Scan this QR code. It opens up a browser window where they're able to actually choose a photo. So we're going to go ahead and choose this photo here. And instantly it's going to transfer the photo from the customer's photo library onto the phone. At this point, it allows you, because you see the camera lens where that's going to cut out, it allows you to actually line that up pretty much exactly where you want it. And then put the backskin in the inkjet printer. And again, this inkjet printer is the one we recommend. It's an Epson L805. It's available on the website. But all you're gonna do is just click this print button and confirm. What's gonna happen on your Windows computer, it's gonna load up the print window. And that's because of the print server here, which is basically this USB dongle that you can see it transmitting data, and that's going to go ahead and print and activate your inkjet printer and do the print job for you. So in the editor, while it's printing, I'll go ahead and show you this. You can add text, so say that you wanted to say, you know, whatever. So if the customer wanted to say, I love you, and then you can put it here. Obviously I did it in black. So we're gonna go ahead and do that again. So whatever the customer wants to put on there, they can do that. They can, you know, pick whatever color that they want. And there you have it. So you can really customize this exactly how the customer wants it. There are some other kind of things you can do in here. You can print your own. You can actually, there's all kinds of different things in here you can actually do on your own. But for the most part, it's used for this particular purpose. So when this is done printing, you're basically going to take the film out. It's going to take about 10 minutes to dry. And then once it dries, we're going to actually come back on camera and show you the lamination process for the image to make it water resistant. So when it's done printing the image, it should be just a second. Now remember, I added the text after I clicked just to print, so it's not going to have the text on there, but just as a demo, I showed you that. So here it is, very high quality print. We'll be back on as soon as it dries. All right, so we have our printable backskin right here, and you want to take each one of these pieces that you purchase comes with this lamination layer. So really all you want to do, if you zoom out just a little bit here, all you want to do is just peel the lamination part up slightly like this. And then you want to go ahead and just put this down at the top. You don't want to touch in the image area, but just the very top edge. You just kind of tack it down. At that point, you're going to kind of let it go. Then you're going to start moving your squeegee. And this is after the drying process, so you don't mess up the image that you just made. So then you're really just going to press the squeegee just like this, straight down the image, using a decent amount of pressure. I'm gonna spin this around so you can kind of see a little bit better here. Using a decent amount of pressure, like that. And it's all that's gonna do at that point is laminate the image. So it's actually making it able to be withstand water and that type of thing. So now, once we've done this process, we're gonna head back over to the machine. So now we're back over at the machine, and all you need to do at this point in the system is hit the back button one time. It's gonna go back here where you kind of left off. You're gonna place this back skin. I'm sorry, there's one other thing I forgot. So if your lamination layer is kind of hanging off the edge, make sure you just fold that over so that way it doesn't hang up on the machine itself. But you've got a really high quality image here, like photo paper. And let's go ahead and put this in the machine like this. So you're basically gonna put it here. Once the wheels spin, just press it right under the wheels. You're gonna go back over here and you're just gonna press this button here that says start cutting. At this point, it is going to go ahead and cut that so it's ready for application onto your customer's phone. You'll see that it's gonna cut it exactly where we had kind of found out it was going to be cutting. So we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off this backing paper and show it to you. All right, so here is the phone. Here is the what we made here. We're just going to pull this off the backing paper, and then there is your customer's image. At this point, you're going to go ahead and line it up on the device itself. And it is forgiving, so if you put it down, it's a little bit wrong, you can go ahead and pick it back up and try again. You can do this as many times as you would like to do it. So once you get it lined up where you want it, since the lamination layer is on there, you can slide your squeegee over it and not obviously ruin the image. Around little parts like that, you want to tap first. And then after you're done getting it where you want it, and these mats are sticky, so they'll hold it in place. You go ahead and just continue tacking it down. And if I can get this up off here again, you have your customer's phone with the custom image on it here. It is just that easy.